Hey, Zub mate. I just want to greet you a happy birthday and always take care and enjoy your day. God bless you.
Ayan, good evening mga kalalabs. Ayan, syempre ngayon babatiin natin ng happy birthday ang isa sa mga kaibigan ko. So wala pa ng bata ako, walang iba. Henson Barion. Ayan, dati po siya tiga-Sumilang at ngayon po ay nasa Delapas na siya. Syempre Bex, alam mo na, wishing you all the best in the universe and abundance in life. And syempre, miss na din kita makabanding dahil matagal-tagal na tayong hindi nakikita at alam mo na yon. Kaya see you soon, Bex. Happy birthday! Enjoy your special day! Bye!
Happy birthday, Hanso Mars! Happy birthday! Wish ko lang sa iyo sa birthday mo is good health, more birthdays to come. Hope to see you soon. Maraming nagmamahal sa iyo. Hindi lang kami, marami pang yung mga kaibigan. Mars, happy birthday. See you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Hanson. Happy birthday. More blessings for you. Kahit wala kang jowa, magkakajowa ka. And be happy lang. Okay? Good luck sa mga racket mo at good luck sa tindahan natin.
Hello, Hen. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. I hope see you soon.
Hello, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Henny. Peace.
Hi Son, happy birthday sa'yo. Enjoy your day and I wish you more birthdays to come. And sana ma-continue pa yung pagiging masipag mo at pagiging humble mo. And I wish na madami mga blessings na dumating sa'yo. That's all. Thank you for everything.
Hi Henson, happy birthday. I wish you all the best and wag ka sana magsawang tumulong and maging mabuting tao sa kapwa mo. May God continue to bless you and mag-ingat ka palagi.